Vernee X became the most special cover product at the end of 2017, as well as being the best product ever released throughout history. This can happen because of its features and innovation that is so totality. Phablet design is so aesthetic, simple but already gives a first impression of an elegant and ergonomic. There is a line of antennae that follow the slender curve of his body on the back cover at all sides curve for comfort in the grip. Performance and features of Vernee X. This phablet runs the VOS 1.0 interface based on Android 7.1 Nougat, and the future is confirmed to be getting an update to version 8.0. Screen size 6-inch Full HD 2160x 1080 pixel resolution with 18:9 screen ratio, 18:9 display ratio. Body reaches 83.8% and the four corners of the screen curved. Bezel also quite thin with each side membrane tongue to 5D. Vernee X is quite compact by utilizing the screen aspect ratio of 18:9, so it can put this 6-inch screen in the average bodied phablet 5.7 inches. Unfortunately, when we expect to be better. One of the benefits of this phablet is the capacity of the battery that reaches 6200 mAh and claimed to last up to 4 days in normal use. More crazy again because it can survive in standby mode up to 76 days, aka 2.5 months. Supported fast 9V2A charging, so it can't generate 2 hours talk time just by filling 5 minutes. When it fills in 30 minutes, it generates a normal 1-day usage time, but charging up to 100% takes 2.5 hours. The advantage of Vernee is to be able to place a large battery in a small body, as in some previous Thorpe series. In Vernee X is also successfully put the capacity of 6200 mAh in the body with 9.8 mm thick and weighs 198 grams. Usually products with batteries above 6000 mAh have weights above 200 grams and thickness above 10 mm. Performance of this gadget relies on 2.5 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P23 processor,